out there.
Today we're doing men's cologne soap designed by Gabriel.
Gabriel is my 22-year-old son.
Yeah, and it's a great smelling soap and it looks really fab.
He's very creative. So we're using Nurture soap. What's it called? Trial by Fire Red, bourbon tobacco fragrance, some activated charcoal, and those are soap dough
Tops.
lids. Yeah, caps for cologne bottles. So
And
let's see.
I'm telling you now, this is a really nice men's cologne soap.
This is a favorite fragrance for a lot of people.
It's really earthy and musky. It's
Gabriel came up with the whole concept, put the cap on, the colors. Gabriel has a YouTube channel called Gabriel the Warrior. If you want to go support him, he talks about mental health issues and tries to help people. So go check it out. Anyway, we've added the lye water solution to the oils. We're getting them emulsified with the Wizzy Let's Get Busy. Then we're going to stirtoomuch.com.
And today was the start of the Christmas madness. I went out to get some cards for my daughters to send back to the UK, and you've never seen, it was like a zombie apocalypse.
Holy cluster bleep.
It was like the end of the world.
Yeah. Traffic everywhere, people driving like lunatics.
So I suppose you're all making your own plans for Christmas now, I would imagine, getting ready for the big couple of days.
We are fully suspecting a lockdown to come right after Christmas. I think they're going to give us this Christmas and then they're going to be like, sorry, time to lock down again. But that's alright, whatever. Getting used to it. Look at that red.
That is
you
a
can get that
scarlet red.
At Nurture Soap. There's a link in the description. I am an affiliate. FYI. I have to say that apparently. And I get a few pennies when you buy it. So anything helps. Everything helps. Their Really Red is another one that I love. They're both really good reds. They don't disappoint. This is not really a Christmas soap, but it's one for the men. Pour in the batter.
That is a nice red colour.
It is.
It's scarlet.
Are you almost yawning?
I breathed in and then I had to yawn, unfortunately. Not that I'm tired, it's just
It was like...
getting rid of...
It was almost a snore. That's okay. I know you just shoveled snow, you're tired.
I'm not tired, I've got enough energy to run a marathon.
He does,
me.
he's
Up
like...
and down, run up the stairs, run down the stairs. Oh, incidentally, I had another legendary falling session on the
stairs. I should have put the video of your fall on this video. Because we caught it on the security cameras and, you know, you really shouldn't laugh when someone falls, but it really looks funny. And you're okay, right?
Yeah, I mean, I hurt I bruised my backside and my elbows are all cut and scraped, but
little bum.
Shoulders sore, but yeah, I always do it without fail.
There's my chopstick squirrel. That's, Gabriel told me to do that too.
But I managed to had George in at the time and managed to make sure he was safe before he hit the deck with a thud, which is a natural response, isn't it, when you're carrying something like a, you know, delicate like that. You just want to make sure.
George is our little tiny toy Yorkie.
And we go check the mail and stuff. Anyway, yeah, it was
put the caps on.
Moment. Them caps are superb. They look like the real
thing. Look at the patina on those. It's vintage cologne. What was the name of that cologne that I snagged from my dad's house that was vintage?
Cellini.
Cellini by Fabergé?
This bottle of cologne is probably circa 1971, when men wore shirts with collars the size of elephants' ears and bell-bottom trousers with big boots on.
They were all the rage.
And bushy hair and sideburns. That's how old it is.
But it smells good.
And a big medallion on the chest, like a
immunity idol. That's
make sure you turn the woman's head with a bottle of Cellini.
Oh, the cut.
Here's the best bit, the cut.
If I can get a grip on it. I had to spray WD-40 on that and loosen it up a bit. Perfect
Oh,
little
look at
swirls in
that.
there.
Doesn't that change colour?
No, it doesn't change color. That is the bottle of cologne.
That looks like a bottle of Karuta 1862.
Available at fruitsofaloon.com right now. Go get you some if you want. I love the swirls in it though. Just, ugh.
Well, it's artwork within artwork, isn't it? It creates its own artwork, and they're all different, you see.
I think there's 10 available. Maybe 9, because one might be a Christmas gift for someone.
Hey, you might be a sliver for me
Are
left.
you yawning again? Oh,
Because I'm way back.
Would you like a sliver? Let's see if there's a sliver left.
I bet there isn't.
I bet there is. I bet there is. I love that swirl. That was a good swirl. Really appreciate you guys subscribing. Been getting a lot of subscribers, about 40 a month lately. Not really showing up in the number of views though, but I do appreciate you all. There's a brace of soaps.
Yeah,
Don't forget to hit that subscribe button and notification bell, or you're going to be missing videos, and I'll see you with the fast version video on Tuesday. We love you.
You take care now, and let us know your Christmas plans.
Bye-bye.
Bye-bye.